Greetings, royal family, and welcome to yet another fun African math learning game. Today we're going to learn the wonderful wheel, the Bitric wonderful wheel, because it is full of wonder. And we're going to have fun counting out our beads and our hands. Now, what is the hand? Of course, we know that the hand is a body part that we use for our everyday tasks and responsibilities. But did you know that ancient Africans used the hand as a unit of measure? They also used the foot. And another good unit is called the palm. And we're going to look at the foot and palm later, but right now we're going to focus on the hand. And this is one hand symbol. There are others, but we're going to use this one today because we're going to teach you a fun way to learn numbers. We're going to learn numbers. The hand is a very important unit of measure when it comes to learning different number systems. Now we're going to start counting utilizing these symbols, and we're going to have fun. Okay? And the way we're going to count is we're going to start here. This is our starting point. Currently, our wonderful wheel is at 0, and we are going to add a 1 here, and that's 1. Then we're going to add another bead. That's 2. Counting on 3, 4, and 5. So now we have 5 beads. So notice this little line here marks off the section for 5. So now that we have 5 units or fractions of 5, we can use what's called the clear carry method, where we're going to clear fractions of 5, counting down from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So now we're back at 5. We have 5 beads, 5 fractions or parts of 5. And now we can carry in a group of 5. So whenever we see a 5 here in this section, it means that this represents a group of 5. So now we're going to count on from 5. Does anybody know what comes after 5? If you said 6, you are correct. So now we have 5 here, which is a hand of 5. And then we're going to count on from 5. 1 put together with 5 is 6. Counting on from 6, we have 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what we're going to do now is that we have a group of 5. And now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you know what we need to do now? We have 1/5, 2/5, 3/5, 4/5, 5/5, which is half of 10. So now we need to clear the fractions of 5 and carry in a group of 5. So we're going to clear counting back from 5. We have 4. We have 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Okay, so now that we've cleared a fraction of 5, we need to carry in a group of 5. So notice your hand has 5 fingers on it, and we don't want to take our fingers off. So that way we always know that our hand, most people, have a group of 5 fingers on their hand. And that's why it's very easy to understand these groups of 5. Now we have 2 hands. As you know, anatomically correct humans, we have 2 hands, which give us a total of 10. So now we're going to count by 5. We're going to count 5, 10. But we can also have a friend's hand, and we can continue to add hands as we count beyond 10. So now we have 10, we have 5, 10, and we're going to come here to 10, 1, also called 11, 10, 2, also called 12, 10, 3, also called 13, 10, 4, also called 14, and 10, 5. So now we have 10 fives, which is a fraction. We have 10 parts of, we have 10 5, which we have, now we have 5 parts of the third 5 that are fractions of 5. So what do we need to do in order to have a new group of 5? Somebody say clear, Carrie. If you did, you're correct. So we're going to count back from, and actually instead of counting backwards from 5 this time, we're going to count back from 10, 5. So we have, currently we have 5, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5. So now we're going to count backwards from 10, 5. So 10, 5, we have 10, 4. Do you see 10, 4 on the wonder wheel? 5, 10, 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4. So now we're going to clear. And now we have 10, 3. 5, 10, 1, 2, 3. Clear. Another bead. And now we have 10, 2. 5, 10, 1, 2. What happens when we clear this bead? Now how many beads do we have? Count with me. 5, 10, 1. We're going to clear this bead away. Now how many beads do we have? 5, 10. Oh, we don't have any units beyond 10. We've cleared them all away. But now that we've cleared fractions of 5, we need to carry in a group of 5. So we're going to bring in a friend's hand. So now we have 5, 10, 10, 5. And the way we say 10, 5 in English is 15. Because teen means 10 and fifth means 5. 15 means 5 plus 10. And that's what we have. 5 plus 10. And we're going to have fun in our next lesson, learning more about the African math-bitric wonderful wheel, which is full of wonder. Until next time, remember, education is preparation for the next generation to inherit their nation. Happy learning. See you next time.